Hello viewers, in this video lecture we are going to see on topic interfaces for the subject object oriented programming. The topic is from the second unit. The objectives are to understand the concepts of interfaces in Java and to understand about defining and implementing interface in Java. First of all, interface. Interface is a reference type in Java. It is similar to class. It is a collection of abstract methods. Interface may also contain constants, default methods, static methods, and nested types. An interface is similar to a class in following ways. An interface can contain any number of methods. Similar to class, an interface is written in a file with a .java extension with the name of the interface matching the name of the file. And the bytecode of the interface appears in a class file. Interface appear in packages and their corresponding bytecode file must be in a directory structure that matches the package name. Use of interface. So, Java does not support the multiple inheritance. Interface is the only way to achieve the multiple inheritance or to provide the multiple inheritance for the class. It is also used to achieve the loop coupling, and also it is used to implement abstraction. Now we are going to see how to define an interface. We already told interface is defined like a class, and the following is the example. Interface animal. So here we have created an interface with the name animal. So we have to use the keyword interface. Under the interface, similar to the class, under the interface we have declared two methods, public void eat and public void travel. So this is the way to create the interface. And after that, when we want to access this interface in any other classes, we have to mention the name of the interface. Now we are going to see how to implement an interface. After the interface has been defined, one or more classes can implement the interface. Implementing means accessing the content from any interface, accessing the methods of some interface in some other class. So to implement the interface, we have to use the keyword implements along with the class. While we define the class, we have to implement the interface with the help of the keyword implement. And we can see the syntax: class name extends superclass. So this is to, if you want to inherit any other parent classes, we can mention it. Extend superclass implements interface. This is the important thing. To access the interface, we have to use the keyword implements. And for any class, we can implement any number of interfaces. So we have mentioned like this: interface, interface 1, interface 2, etc. And inside that we can have the class body. Properties of Java interface. So when we want to access more than one interface, the interfaces are separated with comma. If a class implements two interfaces that declare the same method, then the same method will be used by clients of either interface. Now again we are going to use the program for the interface. Already we have defined the interface animal. In this program we are going to access that particular interface animal. So this program is mammal.java, and we are having the class mammal that is implementing the interface animal. So we should remember animal had two classes, two methods in that, eat and one was eat and another one was travel. And we are defining the method eat, and under that we have printed one statement like mammal eats. And next we are defining the method travel. Under that we have printed one statement like mammal travels. And additionally we are having one more method, that is number of legs. Inside the method we are returning 0 value, and after that in the main function we are creating the object for the class mammal, and we are calling the methods eat and travel. Here the thing is, our interface had only two methods. We can have the additional members of our own we can have our own additional members. So in the previous program, number of legs is the additional method we had in our program rather than interface. So that's all about the interfaces. We can have the university questions like describe the use of Java interfaces, explain Java interfaces with example, and how to explain how to define and implement interfaces in Java. Thank you.